What if I told you that hyperbolic sine and cos have a very similar identity to sin² plus cos² equals to 1? And it's cos² hyperbolic minus sine hyperbolic squared is equal to 1. Let's prove it. So we start with cos hyperbolic squared minus sine hyperbolic squared equals to 1. And that's what we're trying to prove. And what we do is substitute cos hyperbolic squared with e to the x plus e to the negative x over 2, all squared. And then minus hyperbolic sine, which is e to the x, minus e to the negative x over 2, all squared. And then what we can do is square the numerator and denominator for each fraction that we have. So if we square e to the x plus e to the negative x on the numerator for hyperbolic cos, we can rewrite that as e to the x plus e to the negative x times e to the x plus e to the negative x, because that's what squaring means, right? Multiplying itself. So we get a binomial expansion for the numerator there. And the same for the numerator for the sine hyperbolic. So the sine hyperbolic, we get e to the x minus e to the negative x times itself, e to the x minus e to the negative x, all over, and then 2 squared for both the denominators, because you're distributing the square for the hyperbolic cos and the sine. So then now we have to expand the binomials for each. So let's start with cos hyperbolic. So e to the x times e to the x, which is e to the 2x by the power law. And then we get plus e to the x, e to the negative x, plus e to the x, e to the negative x. And then finally, plus e to the negative 2x, all over 2 squared, which is 4, minus, all in brackets, now this is for a hyperbolic sine, we get e to the x times e to the x, which is e to the 2x, and then minus e to the negative x, e to the x, minus e to the x, e to the negative x, and then finally plus e to the negative 2x by the power law again, all divided by 4. And then if we continue on, we can simplify here. One of the things we can simplify for sure is e to the x times e to the negative x, which is equivalent to e to the x minus x, which is equivalent to e to the 0, which is equivalent to 1. So then we get, for the first fraction, e to the 2x plus 1 plus 1 plus e to the negative 2x. And that's another exponent law that we use to get 1 for e to the x times e to the negative x. And then similarly for the hyperbolic sine, in brackets we get e to the 2x minus 1 plus e to the negative 2x all over 4. And then we can make this into one fraction because they both have the same denominator, and also simplify the plus 1s and minus 1s. So we get e to the 2x plus 2 plus e to the negative 2x minus e to the 2x plus 2 minus e to the minus 2x all over 4. And then you notice that we have e to the 2x, and we also have minus e to the 2x, so those cancel. And then we have e to the negative 2x, and then we have minus e to the negative 2x, so those cancel. And then we're left with 2 and 2, 2 plus 2. So then we get 2 plus 2 in the numerator, all divided by 4, which is equal to 4 over 4, which is equal to 1. It's amazing that we get similar identities for hyperbolic sine and cos, just like cos and sine. Math just works out so perfectly. If you like more tips on math or more concepts that you'd like me to cover, please subscribe and leave a comment below.